What's up guys, John here from Martial Mania, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to press the handstand with straight arms. I saw a lot of you guys really enjoyed the bent arm press to handstand tutorial, link on the top right of your screen, so I decided to show you how to do a straight arm press to handstand. This is one of my favorite calisthenic skills. In the straight arm press to handstand, you start in a standing forward fold, shifting your weight over your shoulders while driving your hips upwards and over your shoulders. The more flexible you are, the less forward lean you're going to need, i.e. require less shoulder strength and more hip flexor and core strength. When you first attempt the move, this is what it might look like. I'm going to break this video down into the most important aspects of achieving the straight arm press to handstand. To get you from this to this. Take exercises from your weak points from the summary above and add them to your handstand training session. One of my favorite exercises for shoulder stability and straight arm strength are park walks. Let me show you how you do that. Start off in a standing forward fold in park or straddle. Put your arms on the ground, elevate your shoulders and embrace your core while you do that. And from here, lean forward until your feet come off the ground. Start off in a plank, plantar flex your feet, posterior pelvic tilt, protract your scapula, lean forward while elevating your shoulders and compress your legs to your core. Start with your legs straight out in front of you. Lean forward, put your fingers on the ground. The further away you put your fingers, the harder the exercise will be. And try and compress your legs to your abs. But when you come down, when you're doing your reps, I don't want you to come fully down. I want you to have an inch off the ground. If you're working towards a straddle press to handstand, I'd recommend seated straddle compressions. Put your hands away from your body. The further away, the harder the exercise will be. And from here, I want you to lift your legs. Sit on the ground with both your legs straight in front of you, point your toes and do pumps forward. Make sure to keep your back flat. From here, we're going to hold an isometric hold. The more flexible that your hamstrings are, the easier it will be to get your hips over your shoulders and therefore making the move easier. For the straddle press to handstand, the pancake stretch is the most useful. Straddle your legs, point your toes, engage your quads, and do pumps forward. And with an isometric hold at the bottom. Follow my Instagram, where in my tutorials highlights you can find a pancake tutorial that will give you additional exercises that will help you achieve your pancake. Go find a railing in your house or any other object that you have. Move your knees backwards if you're on a lower object and push down with your chest. This is a great exercise to open up your shoulders into flexion. Do a few pumps with an isometric hold at the end. Go into a straight arm plank, protract your scapula, posterior pelvic tilt, and lean forward onto your wrists. With an isometric hold at the end. Negative handstand presses with the wall or freestanding. Go into a handstand, and when you're coming downwards, you need to lean forward and try and imagine compressing your legs to your abs. This is a great exercise as it goes through every range of motion of the press to handstand. Handstand press against the wall will help build your compression strength. Put your hands quite a bit further away from the wall, turn your wrists outwards, and lift your legs using your compression strength. Another great supplementary exercise is the tuck handstand hold. Go into a handstand, bend your legs and try not to lean forward in this drill, but use your compression strength to keep your tucked knees close to your body. Last exercise for this video are elevated handstand press, where you will find an elevated object like a chair or box. Put your feet on it, lean forward onto your hands and press up. This will make the move easier by reducing the range of motion. Thanks guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials in the future. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Turn on post notifications and comment down below what you thought of this tutorial.